Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 600 not connecting. First is, check power and connection. Ensure the headset is powered on. Verify the headset is fully charged or has sufficient battery life. Confirm that wireless USB transmitter is securely plugged into the device. Second, pair the headset with the USB transmitter. If the headset and transmitter are not paired, turn on the headset. Press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED flashes rapidly. On the USB transmitter, press the pairing button until its LED starts flashing. Wait for the LEDs on both devices to turn solid, indicating successful pairing. Third is, update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Use the Turtle Beach Audio Hub to update it. Download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub for your PC, Mac from Turtle Beach website. Connect the headset to your computer using a USB cable. Follow on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Next is, check your console or PC settings. On Xbox console, ensure the headset is set as the default audio device in the Xbox settings. Go to Settings, Volume and Audio at Output, Headset Audio, and check that the headset is selected. On your PC, right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar. Select Sound Settings or Playback Devices. Ensure that the Stealth 600 is set as the default audio and communication device. Next is, reset the headset. If pairing issues persist, reset the headset. Hold the Connect Pairing button and the Mode button simultaneously for 10 seconds. The headset will restart and you can reattempt pairing. Next is to test it on another device, because it might be that your device is the problem. Try connecting the headset to another console, PC, or device to rule out hardware failure. Next is to inspect for hardware issues. Check the USB transmitters and headset for visible damage. Replace the USB transmitter or headset if necessary. Lastly is to contact Turtle Beach support. If none of the steps resolve the issue, reach out to Turtle Beach customer support. Visit Turtle Beach support for further assistance. And that's basically it.